All right, I didn't even look at what this file is. It's called placing framed graphics. So let's just see what I set up this tutorial to talk about. So I'm going to go to my chapter 4, folder number 3, and I've got this InDesign file right here. And okay, we've got 4 boxes. Obviously, one is going to be the predominant one, and then 3 smaller. So all 4 of the photos, now that I remember this, all 4 of the photos are the same size. So I'm going to click on this one, Command D. I'll come down to folder number 3 in chapter 4, Jonah Cotton Candy. Open it, and he fills up the space. Okay, but I can still see his head because the box was pretty big. Now I'm going to select these 3. Actually, I don't even need to select anything. I'm going to place 3 photos here. So deselect, Command D, and I have these 3 photos. Okay, but I want to show you what's going to happen here if you forget to deselect a box. And this is the biggest mistake people make. Okay, I'm going to click the center and just delete the photo out of there. I'm going to reselect this, Command D, and put this photo right back in. Okay, notice how the box is still selected. So even though I want to put a photo here, if I forget to deselect, watch what happens to this photo. Command D, drag another photo, and whoops, just switched it out. Erase the first one and drop this one in instead. Okay, so I'll click on the center, delete that photo. Anytime you drop in a photo into a box, hit or click outside. You gotta deselect. Okay, so I'm going to select it, Command D, drop in a photo, and then click outside. Deselect the box. I got 3 more boxes here. Command D. I'll select all 3 photos. They're about the same size, so click, 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 and there we go. I've resized these boxes to allow these photos to fit. Okay? That's it. So if I erased these and drew 3 new ones, like this, I'll select it with my black arrow, add a stroke up here, maybe 2, so we can see that. Click, Shift and Option, drag another one, Shift and Option, we'll drag another one. Now let's throw these in again. Command D, drag them, click, 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 and there's our photos. Okay, just remember you got to deselect before you throw in other photos. Keep that in mind. And we'll move on.